Tigers on three, Tigers on three. 1, 2, 3. Tiger! Set, go! Set, go! Set, go! Hey, let's get it, boy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Here we go, people. Oof.
Fullback power right, option left. Fullback power right, option left. On one.
Check. Oh, yeah. Hey, we need a house call, ready? That boy Dad be hitting, bro. Hey, get out of there, Shy. Come on, Shy. PPR, if you listening, I'm about to score right here.
Fake power right, deep down left on one. Ready?
Go! Check, go! Hey, yo, you know how we come, man. Look at the scoreboard. 14's it.
All the speed you had, play without your hands.
Yeah.
Just play with your feet.
Don't get lax, don't get tired. We got to keep executing. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah, Mike! Oh, yeah, Mike! Hey, ready! Ready! Let's get it, boy! Let's get it, boy! Good ass play, ready?
Fullback power right, option left on one. Ready?
Set! Set, go!
I got a feeling they're gonna put you on offense when you get to UCLA.
I don't know. What's the play? Double power left.
Double power left on one. Ready?
Set, go!
Why you look like that?
Bro, I'm tired, bro. What you mean? That's why I look like that. Just go! Mike. Doubles. Ray Bands. Go crazy, slap. Mike, watch the stop and go. Watch the stop and go. Damn. Check, go. Check, go.
Next offensive drive, we're going heavy. I'm tapping in, all right?
For me?
Yeah.
All right, I'm finna stay on D then.
All right.
You good, little bro?
I'm blue today, bro.
Yeah, you know what's going on,
like
man.
that, man.
What do you mean?
I got a ball like that,
You
man.
know, you already know we coming, man. Offense alert! Offense alert! You going in, Virgil?
Yes, sir, Marky.
Oh, yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. There you go. There you go. Let him know. Let him know how many offers you got. Green grass! Green grass! Hey, Roddy, you kind of got smacked on that play.
I feel you, and I see you doing everything you possibly can.
Thank you, Riley. Grandma Shark doo-doo-doo. Zay 3. How many A's? 3 A's, 3 Y's, man. Follow Zay on Instagram right now. Hey, everybody say y'all ass right here, bro. I'm mic'd up.
You know, it's just Martinez on
What you doing next time? Underscore K Moon.
Everybody follow Shiloh anyway. You don't need a shout out. Tell him to put his laces back in. Bro, what is that? Like, you put the camera on his cleats?
Hey, man, you out here no laces. We're bumming. It's a trend.
He needs laces.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you. Really?
Hey, PPR, does he need laces? Bro, they're cleats. He took his shoelaces out. Thought it was cool. Hey, what's up to PPR? Huh? Say what's up to PPR, bro?
What's happening with y'all, man?
And then Forza.